Easy to make small scissor lift, 4.5 meter to 4 meter lifting height, 300 kg carrying capacity. Easy to operate. Up and down motion will be automatic, battery operated. To and fro motion will be manual. You can push and pull. We have provided a side jacks, easily lockable. There is a unlock, and after that we can lock. Okay. चारों ओपन कर दे, चारों साइड का ओपन कर दे. ओके, चारों साइड कर दे, फटाफट कर दे. There are 4 jacks. ऊपर चले जाओ. We have provided one push button on the top of the platform. There is a spring lock door, automatic locking door. Up, हाथ में ले लो. 300 kg carry capacity, 4 and 4.5 meters. There are 2 models. There is a emergency stop switch on top and bottom as well. There is a height limitation limit switch as well. जा रहा है ऊपर अभी. ओके, कट हो गया ना. डाउन कर दो अभी. नीचे आ जाओ. For the maintenance, we have provided one compartment. ये दोनों साइड का लिफ्ट करके बाहर खींच ले. There is a locking arrangement and easy to maintain. Battery, power pack and all the maintenance activity can be carried out by pulling simple this drawer. Close it. We have provided a locking system as well, and there is a bottom operation as well. There is a battery discharge indication meter, and from this button you can also operate.